What's going on, guys? It's Kai here and welcome to another video. And today's video I'm going to be showing you how I went from this to this in a matter of 1 hour. I'm actually going to explain first how useful flipping used shoes is. The good thing about used shoes is there's not much of a market in terms of price to buy and price to sell. Now this is very good. This means you can actually pick up steals from such as Depop, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, places like this for very cheap, clean them up and you can sell them for a lot higher. For example, in this video I picked up a pair of Yeezys for £85. We're going to be cleaning them, and just a disclaimer, we sold these for 150 in a matter of a couple days. So we bought for 80, sold for 150 just from cleaning them up a little bit. How do you clean them? You're going to need 3 things to clean them. First of all, the first thing you're going to need is a brush. You can pick up these for literally about 50p in a local supermarket. I got this from Home Bargains for about £1.50. It came in a pack of 2. Literally just a brush like this. It's like a shoe brush, nothing special to it. You don't have to pay, £20 for these crack tech things. That's all you need. And my little secret to cleaning white, definitely for cream Yeezys, is using something called pink stuff. This is actually just normal stain remover for white clothes and so on, but it is very, very good for cleaning Yeezys. For example, the white ones for 100%. Gets stains out really good, and it doesn't actually stain the colour of the shoe, because that's the last thing you want. A lot of these bleaches and cleaning products will actually, not only will they damage the material, but they'll also, affect the coloration of the shoe. The last thing you are going to want, which is not 100% necessary, however I do believe it does work very well, is a washing machine. Now, a lot of you probably do have a washing machine, however we'll get on to how to put them into the washing machine safely and make sure you are not damaging them. So we are actually going to go to the before photos, and we're going to go to us scrubbing the pair of Yeezys, showing you what I'm doing, and I'll talk you through all of it. If you'd like to join my cook group, please click the top link in the description down below, and that will give you access to our full Discord server where we teach you how to start reselling. We write loads of guides, give you one-on-one help, investment info, botting, everything you need to know when you're starting reselling.
Right guys, so we're actually on the voice recording right now. It's just so different, however, we're going to do it. So, as you saw before, we used the pink stuff, and what we did here is we got a little container, we did 1 or 2 big scoops of the pink stuff, and we filled it with a little bit of warm water, not boiling hot water, but lukewarm. And as you can see here, it made a good lather. You want it to be really bubbly, and you want to just lather it all over the pair of shoes. You want to scrub it not too hard. If you can scrub it in a circular motion, as you can see here, it won't actually fray or affect the material. So work through it, don't rush it. It will get cleaner as you do it, and you will see better, obviously, results if you're doing this properly. So I took my time here. I think this actually took over 20 minutes of just pure scrubbing. Keep lathering it and do it the same for both shoes. Now you won't see any clips here, but cleaning the bottom, you want a bit of a harder brush. Scrub as much as you can of the hard brush, and then you want to use something called acetone. If you don't have acetone, you can actually use nail polish remover. It's basically acetone but just not as strong, and you want to get like maybe some cotton or something like that, dab it onto the acetone and just wipe the bottom bit, and basically this will get rid of the big marks. You can actually scrub a bit on the actual boost part. It will not make it perfection and bright white, but obviously these are used pair of shoes. They will get better though with acetone. This was actually, as you can see there, was before the cleaning, and after the cleaning the bottoms were a lot cleaner. So keep scrubbing at it, as you can see here. And not much really else to be said. I'm going to re-roll the rest and move on to you when we get to the washing machine, and how to put in the washing machine safely and make sure you're doing it correct. So we are coming up to the washing machine part, and the way you want to do this safely is you want to do a cold wash and you want to do a quick wash, and you want to make sure that the speed and the spinning is the lowest possible. Now what this will do is actually stop you from your Yeezys getting killed basically in the wash, and it will clean them very well. I like to put a pillowcase on each one and then wrap it in one towel and then let it go for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then put it on the fans, as you can see here. Let it dry off. It should take about an hour. Let it be, and just let the results show for itself.
I'm going to actually tell you how to actually get them with you first. So what you want to do is you want to get yourself on Depop, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, these second-hand sites such as Vinted as well, anywhere you can possibly find them, and just look for used shoes. My speciality and the most success I've had is with popular colorways of Yeezy 350s. These are quite easy to clean and you can actually make them look a lot higher value than when you first get them. Then obviously once you've found the right person, you want to make sure that you are obviously not getting scammed. You want to make sure they are all legit. So the way you want to do this is you can actually use the check app. This is an app that will do your legit checks. You can also compare photos to make sure they're all legit, ask for confirmation of email, things like that to ensure you're not going to get scammed. Another big one is reviews of the seller. So just like that, with a bit of scrubbing, a bit of hard work, put them in a wash machine, let them out to dry, boom, you have got your clean Yeezys. List them up for sale, make your money, and trust me, just be a bit patient. Obviously these sell better in the summer, however you can still make them in seasons like we are now. But remember, bit of patience, bit of hard work, you will get there. Bit of learning as well, obviously everything doesn't come easy. Just make sure you don't get scammed and just to double check everything you do. But like I said, we actually picked up these for, I think it was 80 to 90 pounds, I think it was 85 pounds, and then we later sold these on for 150 pounds. So it's a very good bit of profit considering it only takes 1 hour or 2 hours to actually clean them up. Obviously it didn't sell instantly, I think it came about a week, then it did sell. However, with a bit of consistency, it will actually come. If you'd like to join my cook group, please click the top link in the description down below, and that will give you access to our full Discord server where we teach you how to start reselling. We write loads of guides, give you one-on-one help, investment info, botting, everything you need to know when you're starting reselling. Apart from that, that's going to be it from me. Hope you guys did enjoy the video, and good luck in all of your releases.